I'm the ranger. I was challenged to cook while no pots, pans, or grill. So I made the rocket stove to cook my food. Today I'm going to cook a fish with using mud. And later on I'm going to cook over there on the grill on the fire pit to show you how you could also do it using your regular fire pit. But right now I'm using the rocket stove to cook my fish with mud. While I'm getting my rocket stove hot with the coals, I'm going to prepare my fish. You're supposed to use leaves, but I don't know if this is the leaf you've got to use, because I live in Louisiana and this is Mississippi where I'm at. So I'm going to improvise with aluminum foil just to keep me from getting poisoned if this is the wrong type of leaf. What I want to do is put my fish in leaves. Since it's not leaves and I don't know what kind of leaves you're supposed to use, I'm going to improvise with aluminum foil. Then I'm going to cover the item with leaves. But first, I must use mud. I'm using a mud base. I'll put leaves on top of the mud. And put your fish on top of the mud. And put more leaves on it. You gotta cover it completely. But since I have to improvise, I don't need a lot of leaves, but you do need to cover the fish with leaves and take your mud and pack your fish in. Now, I'm going to place my fish in my oven. Alright, now that's done, I'll go ahead and wash up and I'll be back. That'd be a cut. Now I have my fish in there cooking. It's going to take about 3 to 4 hours to cook this fish. First it has to bake through the mud, the aluminum foil, and the leaves. So it's going to take at least 3 to 4 hours to cook. So I'm going to just leave it and add fire and fuel to it as I go. Well, it's time. See if we cook our meal. You can still hear it similar. Oh yeah, look at that. Take a look. Look at that. The fish is completely cooked. Cooking with mud. I cook my fish and it's well done. It's not overcooked. Well, I have complete one of my tags, cooking without any grill, pots, or pans. So I cook with mud and leaves. And I'm the ranger. And don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. They do help. Fish. I have fish and noodles today. I just baked the fish in clay and I added to my stew here. Look at that. Fish and rice. There could be fish swimming in my belly. I'm the ranger. I hope you enjoy the 25-pole mobile system. It's time to eat.